E.R.S.E.A and Recruitment. ICS currently provides early learning services to children from birth to age 5 at no cost to parents. Every child deserves a head start. Parents of all age-eligible children are encouraged to apply and apply early. Parents of special needs children are highly encouraged to apply. ICS uses bus routes, but in some areas transportation may be limited. Starting the process. Did you know that applications can be picked up and dropped off at any ICS Head Start Center? If an interpreter is needed, please call ahead so one can be provided. When returning applications and necessary supporting documentation, place them in the box provided on the outside of the center. Parents can also request one be mailed to them or go online. If an online application is completed, please make sure there's a phone number and address provided. What do you need to bring or send when applying, and why we need it? Mississippi Form 121, up-to-date immunization report, Mississippi Health Department, or your family physician. Proof of income, 2020 tax form, W-2s, recent check stub, unemployment paperwork, SSI, SNAP benefit information, foster care payment. Proof of insurance, CHIP, Medicaid, or private insurance. Proof of legal guardianship in situations where needed. The Mississippi Department of Health requires that any child attending a public school setting must be up to date on immunizations. Federal Office of Head Start requires verification of income for each family. Each enrollment year, Head Start parents are asked to obtain a physical exam and a dental exam for their child. Children are also required to have a blood lead test completed by age 3 or 4. Head Start requires these screenings and exams to ensure the child is healthy and pain-free. Parents may sometimes be asked to obtain an eye exam or hearing exam. We use this information to make sure children are healthy and ready to learn. E.R.S.E.A, E.R.S.E., is for eligibility, recruitment, selection, enrollment, attendance. Did you know that ICS officially starts recruitment in January for the upcoming school year? Your child may be considered eligible if he or she turns 3 years old on or before September 1. Once your documentation has been submitted and reviewed, eligibility will be determined. The selection process begins in April. Children are selected based on highest need. Federal Head Start regulations require that 90% of Head Start enrollee families are at or below federal poverty level income guidelines. Head Start is allowed to accept up to 10% over income children. After the selection process is complete, families will be notified by May. All children who are not selected will be placed on the waiting list in the Head Start Center where they applied. Selected children will be officially enrolled into the program once registration is complete and the child attends class for the first time. Children are expected to attend and participate in the learning process. Going forward, we know that this year has been different for all of us, especially our children. We ask you to help us make our small miracles a great success.